Isa na namang lawyer ang dinisiplina ng ating Korte Suprema. A former Baguio City Prosecutor at Makati City Prosecutor o Fiscal ay dinisbar ng ating Supreme Court at ito ay ordered stricken from the rolls for violating the lawyer's oath and the code of professional responsibility. At kasi itong fiscal na ito, medyo nagkaroon ng away doon sa kanyang mga kapitbahay sa Makati, and sila ay naghabla ng conduct unbecoming doon sa ating Korte Suprema. Ang ginawa ng prosecutor, sumugod siya sa Office of the Bar Confident at imbis na mag-submit ng sworn statement o counter affidavit, pinagalitan niya yung clerk of court doon sa Office of the Bar Confident. And ang sabi niya in Tagalog, bruha ka, PI mo, you are a disgrace to the legal profession. Konting brains naman, no? Clerk ka lang. You don't know your work, you don't know your job. So, she was addressing a colleague in the bar profession, no? Abogado rin naman. Although tawag sa kanila clerk of court, abogado rin naman sila. To make matters worse, sinabi pa niya na ano ba yung mga justices, sila ba nakapasa ng exam? And because of this remarks na siyempre may nag-report doon sa Supreme Court and Bank, kanilang dinisbar and stricken off the role of attorney itong lawyer nito, naging piskal. And of course, ang basic rule ngayon, medyo mahigpit ang ating Korte Suprema sa mga conduct ng ating mga lawyers. Konting pagkakamali, pwedeng i-report. At dito, sinabi ng Korte Suprema, do not do or do not make disparaging remarks against the justices of the Supreme Court. And although they understand na naggalit siya, yung emotions niya uncalled for, no? This is being arrogant and disrespectful of not only the bar confident but also of the Supreme Court. And of course, hindi porke attorney ka, sabi ng Korte Suprema, dapat maging pompous ka na or maging mayabang ka na. And again, the Supreme Court said, kahit na ganun nga yung emotions niya, hindi siya deserve ng judicial empathy coming from the highest court of the land.